So just taking a look at Byte, then you can see we're looking at coming up and making a new all-time high pretty soon. You can see my analysis on the chart here. Pretty much everything has worked out exactly how you'd expect so far in terms of these patterns that we've seen. Obviously, usually what happens with most cryptos is you have the launch, there's a big pump to the upside, and then you get this big long sideways consolidation and accumulation, which is what we saw over the past month or so after that launch. And then you can see now we're getting that break, that back test, the continuation to the upside is what we've seen. And then you can see here we came up to this new all-time high, which is up here at around whatever this tiny decimal place of a number is, and then we had this nice little bull flag kind of formation forming here, basically this descending wedge which you'd expect would break to the upside. You can see here just coming down for a few hours. We got the break, the back test, and then we came up again, tried to make a new swing high, come back and back tested that 100 moving average again, came back to the upside again, perfectly touching that all-time high, which is where we got another sell off to the downside. And you can see it looking like we are consolidating basically under that all-time high now, ready to come up and make a new swing high for Byte. Things looking really good in general. I think this is going to be a crypto that's going to do extremely well going into the bull market. Right now we're just seeing the very initial moves of what could be a potential 100x or maybe even upwards towards 1000x in my opinion, if this meme really does take off like SHIB did in the past. Obviously Dogecoin and SHIB are massive now. I think SHIB is sitting at around an $8 billion market cap, and if Byte did 1000x from its current market cap, it would be only around 2 or 3 billion, I think, maybe 3 or 4 billion now, which is obviously incredibly possible if these things do take off and catch some steam. So overall I think we're very early on in terms of what we're going to see with this crypto. I'm holding a very large amount of it, and I do think it's going to do well. It's in my basically my meme for my portfolio for this run. I'm very excited to see what happens next with it. It's looking very promising indeed, as I said. Just basically the whole concept of it, and I think it's got a lot of room to run, and in general it's got a lot going for it. Elon Musk's dog Byte, Grok loves it. It's very interesting. I can't wait to see what happens next. Overall looking very good indeed.